Welcome to my channel. High School Physics by Ram Mohan. Spectrum. Then class. Model paper 1. Question paper.
According to new model paper July 2020, this question paper contains 1 mark questions AS1, 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 AS6, 2 mark questions AS2, AS2, AS3, AS5, 4 mark questions AS1, AS4, AS4, AS6, 8 mark questions AS1 oblique AS1, AS3 oblique AS3. This model paper covers heat from physics lesson and acids, bases and salts from chemistry. 1 mark questions. 6 questions at the rate of 1 mark gives rise to 6 marks. What is humidity? Answer. The amount of water vapor present in air is called humidity. Second question. Write the principle of method of mixtures. Answer. Net heat lost is equal to net heat gain. Third question. Specific heat is equal to what? Options A. Q by delta T, B. Q by delta Q into delta T, C. M delta T by Q, D. Q by M delta T. Answer. D. Q by M delta T. Fourth question. Which of the following substance is a base? Options A. pH is equal to 7, B. pH equal to 6, C. pH is equal to 8. Answer is C. pH is equal to 8. Fifth question. Write one application of specific heat of water. Answer. Water is used as fire extinguisher, or oceans moderate the surrounding temperature near the equator. Sixth question. Dash plus acid gives rise to salt plus water. Options A. Metal oxide, B. Base, C. A and B, D. None of the above. Answer C. Two marks questions. 4 questions at the rate of 2 marks gives 8 marks. Seventh question. Your friend is asked to differentiate between evaporation and boiling. What questions could you ask to make him to know it? Answer. First question. Which phenomena is involved in the drying of wet clothes? Second question. At which temperature evaporation takes place? Third question. What is the meaning of boiling point? Fourth question. When does water boil? Eighth question. Why distilled water does not conduct electricity? Answer. In distilled water, concentration of both H3O plus and OH minus is same. Hence, they do not form ions. As there is no flow of ions, distilled water does not conduct electricity. Ninth question. Write 2 observations in the experiment of water of crystallization of copper sulfate. Answer. Some water droplets on sides of the test tube. The blue color of copper sulfate changes into white color. Draw the apparatus set up in the experiment to prove that heat energy flows from a hotter body to a colder body. This is the diagram. Four marks questions. 4 questions at the rate of 4 marks gives 6 marks. Write 2 important uses of washing soda and baking soda. Answer. Uses of washing soda. Washing soda is used in glass, soap and paper industries. It is used for removing permanent hardness of water. It is used as a cleaning agent in domestic purpose. Uses of baking soda. Baking soda is used for faster cooking. Baking soda is a mild antiseptic. It is also used in soda acid fire extinguisher. Twelfth question. Define and write the units of A. Specific heat. B. Temperature. Answer. Specific heat. The specific heat of a substance is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of the substance by 1 degree centigrade. Unit of specific heat is joule by kg Kelvin. Temperature. The degree of hotness or coolness is called temperature. Unit of temperature is Kelvin. 13th question. This is a table based question. Serial number. Substance A, water, B and C. Specific heat, calorie by gram degree centigrade 0.031 x 0.5 0.095. Questions. Which of the above substances takes less heat to raise its temperature? What is X? How much heat energy is required to raise 1 degree centigrade of 1 gram of substance C? Express the value of specific heat of substance C in SI units. Answer. Which of the above substances takes less heat to raise its temperature? Substance A, because it has less specific heat. What is X? X is 1 because water has specific heat is 1. How much heat energy is required to raise 1 degree centigrade of 1 gram of substance C? 0.5 calories. Express the value of specific heat of substance C in SI units. 398 joule by kg K. Fill in the blanks. Substance. 13th pH is equal 13, pH is equal 3, HCl and NaOH. Lead litmus 1, 2, no change. Blue litmus, no change. Red 3 and 4. Methyl orange, yellow 5 6. Phenolphthalein 7 8 ounces. 1 blue, 2 red, 3 red, 4 no change, 5 red, 6 yellow, 7 pink, 8 no change. 8 mark questions. 2 questions at the rate of 8 marks is equal to 16 marks. It has internal choice also. 15th question. Write a short notes on A. pH scale, B. neutralization reaction, C. dilution, D. water of crystallization. Answer. A. pH scale. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale. pH value of a solution is simply a number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution. If a pH is equal to 7, it is a neutral solution. If a pH is less than 7, it is an acidic solution. If a pH is greater than 7, it is a basic solution. The range of pH value is from 0 to 14. As the pH value increases from 7 to 14, it represents a decrease in H3O plus ion concentration. Neutralization reaction. The reaction of acid with base to give a salt and water is known as a neutralization reaction. Base plus acid gives rise to salt plus water. Example, NaOH plus HCl gives rise to NaCl plus H2O. Dilution. Mixing of an acid or base with water result in decreasing in concentration of ions per unit volume. Such a process is called dilution, and the acid or a base is said to be the diluted. Water of crystallization. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. Example, copper sulfate 5H2O. This question are 15th question B. Distinguish between acids and bases. Acids. A substance which gives H3O plus ions in water solution is called acid. Bases. A substance which gives OH minus ions in solution is called a base. Acid. Acids are sour in taste. Bases are bitter in taste. Acids turn blue litmus to red. Bases turn red litmus to blue. The orange color of methyl orange indicator changes to red in acidic medium. The orange color of methyl orange indicator changes to yellow in basic medium. Acids are formed when non-metal oxides are dissolved in water. Bases are formed when metal oxides are dissolved in water. pH value of acid is less than 7. pH value of base is greater than 7. Examples HCl and H2SO4. Examples of bases NaOH plus KOH. All acids react with metals and produce H2 gas. Some bases react with metals and produce H2 gas. Sixteenth question A. How do you prove that the rate of evaporation of liquid depends on its surface area and vapor of already present in surrounding air? Procedure 1. Apparatus. 2 dishes of different surface area and water. Procedure. Take 2 dishes of different surface areas. Pour equal amounts of water in the both dishes. Keep 2 to 3 hours and observe. Observation. Dish with more surface area has less quantity of water than dish having less surface area. Conclusion. This shows evaporation increases with the increasing of surface area. Procedure 2. Take 2 dishes of equal surface area containing water. This experiment should be conducted on a more humidity day and a less humidity day. Observation. Observed that evaporation is less on more humidity day due to more vapor in the air. Conclusion. The rate of evaporation depends upon vapor already present in surrounding air. This question are 16th question B. Write an activity which give the relation between rise in temperature and nature of the material. Procedure. Take 2 identical boiling test tubes with single-holed cocks on them. Fill one of the boiling tubes with 50 grams of water and other 50 grams of oil. Insert thermometers in each of the test tubes. Clamp them to a retort stand. Place them in a jar of hot water of 80 degrees centigrade. Observation. Observe the readings of thermometer for every 3 minutes. We can observe that the rise in temperature of oil is higher than that of water. Explanation. Both the boiling tubes kept in hot water the same interval of time and the heat supplied to them are same, but rise in temperature of oils is more than that of rise in temperature of water. Hence, rise in temperature depends on the nature of substance.